Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Just when you feel you have no time to relax, know this is the moment you most need to relax. Matt Haig. An action plan for that? Organize your calendar based on your top priorities and remember to schedule sufficient time for self-nourishment. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's try the star. Things to invite and welcome in: gentleness, kindness, care, love, understanding, patience, and forgiveness. Surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not people. Nobody's got you like you got yourself. Protect your peace at all costs. Relearning myself while unlearning old behavior. It's really me versus me. You're not healing to be able to handle trauma. You're used to trauma. You're healing to be able to handle the joy. And the last one today. The soul is in tension. The ego is in tension. Relax to attract. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.